Take a ride in the 2024 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.